Alright, hello everybody. Today we are going to draw a unicorn, and you can follow along with us.
And if we're too fast, just pause the video.
Okay, let's get started. You ready? Alright, let's get started. Draw the horn of the unicorn. Draw that. And let's draw some hair.
You could do it a different way, or...
Yeah.
I did this kind of mean.
Okay, let's draw some stripes for the horn. And we also want to draw some ears. We'll draw one ear in the front and
The back.
another ear in the back. So now we have the hair, we have the ears. Okay, and now let's do the pony's head. Give her a little mouth and a jaw. Very good. Let's draw some eyes. And we can color in the eyes black. We can also make a little cute dimple. Now let's make the neck and the head.
Use a color pencil.
Yeah, maybe I'll. Thank you. Now I think the next step for us is let's complete the hair a little better.
But mine is completed a little.
Okay, we're gonna make another wave of hair, and even a wave can go all the way down and around, and this can sort of track around like this. Okay.
I didn't.
We want to connect this neck though down to the bottom of the hair. We'll have to get cut off. So there's the back.
I don't have any more room.
That's okay. Just draw what you can. And let's make the first leg come down. And we'll bring it up. We'll bring it around. And
I don't have any more space. It's okay. Let's just draw it.
that's okay. Yep, you're doing a great job so far. Now we want to bring the other leg out, kind of bent out.
Yeah, I know.
Like that.
I'm just gonna do a triangle.
Yep.
And draw another one inside.
Should we draw the hooves now?
Yeah.
There's a hoof.
Let's
There's
draw
another
some
cute
shoes.
little hoof.
Oh, let's draw some shoes.
And here, we can just bring another leg down here. And we got another hoof right there. Now I think we can just kind of get some hair shading going on here. So this area might be a little darker in there. Some more hair shading here.
Oh, I didn't do it so good.
That's okay. Now remember, if you don't draw it good the first time, you can always practice and do it again.
And the important thing is to have fun.
Exactly.
Oh.
Shout out to that YouTube channel that we watch sometimes. It's a lot of fun. They do a great job.
I'm
They're really
designing
good artists.
the hair a little bit.
You can see how we're learning from you guys.
I'm
We
designing
really
the
appreciate
hair. Baba, look, I'm designing the hair. Let me see yours.
Let's design everything
Let
now.
me see yours.
Now we just want to get some details out there. Get some shading and some colors. It's good to follow
I'm
the
going to
curve.
color my unicorn a little bit.
It takes a little practice, but if you really want to get better at it and you stay committed, you will do a great job. I'm sure of that. Right, guys? And we'll just add some shading to certain areas, like here.
I'm going to color just the hair. Just draw a little bit.
And I guess all this will be shaded. We may also shade a little bit here. And maybe just bring it down. Just like so. Okay, for our shading, I'm going to use a light blue color. on the body. So,
I'm gonna color this little hair purple.
now the body is white, so yep.
I'm just gonna color this little
Suggestions?
hair purple. Purple.
Just shade in all the areas that I shaded.
I'm gonna make the hair purple.
Good. My black. Is this it? Okay, I also have some shading to do here. Okay, so now I can just color
Where do I
the
connect
areas.
this? Where do I connect this?
You can just connect it right there. Good job. Looking real good, baby J. Looking real good, Adam. Okay, now I want to find 2 shades of purple. So I'm going to use this light shade for the general coloring and this darker shade for the shading. So I have 2 colors.
I
of
made
purple.
some shoes for my
So my darker areas will be like this. Creativity to your work. So you don't have to necessarily go on a certain look. You can always make it your own by adding or that you want.
Or at the end, are we gonna color the horn gold?
Yeah, we should color the horn gold. Okay, and
Can you draw me the tail?
so I couldn't really draw it.
I have a little bit more space, so then I just draw like that.
Good. Now I left some areas white as like a sparkle and shine, sort of. So if you leave a little area white.
At the end, I'm gonna do some diamonds, gold, and silver.
Then your hair will. Okay, again.
I'm gonna connect this part.
And let's pick out 2 for the hood. So I'll go with these 2 shades. Oh,
This
good.
sharpened one.
Oh, I do like that one. There we go. Just gonna shade in all of these. And for the lighter areas, I'm gonna use this one. And there we go. Blue that I use.
The light blue.
Shading right there. Yep. Right. Easy, nice and light.
It is nice and light.
Should have a section in the middle that's white, so that it looks like it's shining. I'm not gonna color the whole horn. I'm just
We
gonna.
have gold inside there.
Right. We'll get into these in a little bit. So now that we've gotten a good practice run, this is our unicorn. What do you think? How did yours come out? Share with us. Wow, you guys, your work came out splendid as well. Great job, everyone. Think you want to do the ears in there? Pick a pink color for the ear. A little bit of shading, yeah. Tune in for the next one, and definitely do not be shy to leave a comment and tell us what you think we should draw together next. All right, look at our unicorns. That's Jenna's unicorn.
Mine has purple hair, and I'm gonna color the horn gold.
And the shoes?
These are the legs and the shoes.
Great job, baby J. It's Adam's.
So like, I just tried doing and I just
Don't cover your face.
copied my dad, and I forgot to draw the tail that pink.
Okay, so you're still gonna color the tail pink?
Yeah.
All right, looks great. And there you go. I didn't have room enough for the tail and the
Me
rest
too.
of the body.
I didn't
But
have room
I tried
enough.
to use, yeah. Oh, Jenna had room for the tail. Good work, Jenna.
Well, I just tried to do it on the main.
Oh, I see.
Let me see.
It looks great.
Let me see.
So you can use techniques like
See the
shading
tail.
and adding different layers for the colors and trying your best to let the unicorn look as realistic as possible.
I'm gonna get the
Okay.
golden color.
All right, check us out for the next
Wait,
one.
don't
Tell
open
us what you want us to draw next.
Don't open
Bye.